Welcome, today I'm front of me XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first, just to do that, we should hold for a while our device home screen, and after that click here on the right down corner on the settings section, then just tap to the transition effect. Now we can see that we have selected the default one, the slide. Here we can just change our transition just by select one from this available animations. Just for example, I'll go with the rotate. Just to save the changes, click here to the home button, and now we can see that we just successfully changed our device home screen animation. If you wanna go back to the default one, tap here to the settings, transition effects, and switch it to the slide, and after that we can see that we just again successfully changed the home screen animation on our Poco device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.